guys? Welcome to another vlog. We're right here in the beautiful city of Southgate, where you get out of your house, you drive through the streets, and then all of a sudden you look to your left and bam, you see these beautiful horses. And yeah, typical, you see people walking, their dogs, you see them going somewhere in their car. But horses, what the? Well, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Catch this new content, whatever pops up, I'll record it and you'll see it. Don't forget, subscribe, turn on the ring notifications, and see me in a city near you. Peace. Yalla YOLO. Bye. ¡Viva México!